Hey everyone, today we are making a strawberry mascarpone cake. Some call it a strawberry quark cake. It depends on what you use. We actually are using quark in this too, but we'll get to that a little bit later. My name's Tammy and this is my mom.
Ute.
And we just recently got back from Germany and have brought back a ton of recipes. Mom's from Germany. I grew up there until I was about 14. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cake started. We've been just kind of testing some things out, and so we're excited about this. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we've got 3 egg whites that we're going to really kind of fluff up, right, with the water. So 3 egg whites, and you save the egg yellows. 3 tablespoons of water. Do I do that now?
I think so. I never done it, so I never done that cake.
We've never done that cake. Well, we've done it like 3 times now.
3 times?
I think we've made it. This is the 3rd time.
I don't remember. I guess I'm getting old.
When you're incorporating into egg whites, you always do things very slowly so it doesn't shock them. So we've gotten the egg whites nice and creamy with the water. We're gonna slowly incorporate the sugar and then we'll go from there. Where's the baking powder at?
It's in here. I mixed it up already. Like you like it, Miss Tammy.
All right, so we've got the egg whites already completely beaten. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the 3 egg yellows.
Slowly.
Well, you can only do one I can do one at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have this big, nice consistency of the egg yellow as well in there. So we're gonna put a
100 gram flour with 1 tablespoon baking powder.
So we already have the baking powder and the flour mixed together. So it's actually, we don't put that in here. We just incorporate it underneath, right? Locker unterziehen. So we take this out of here, right?
I don't know if you incorporate or mix it in. I think
what does
you
it
mix
say?
it in. Baking powder mischen and Locker unterziehen, yeah?
That's fine.
Don't want to get her nice dressed.
All right. So it's a nice, fluffy consistency. And we're going to use a 9-inch pan. My mom's already put the baking paper in, and she's also put butter around the pan so nothing's going to stick. We're gonna put the entire thing in here, and then we're gonna cook it at 350 degrees, right, Mom?
Yep.
For how many minutes?
It says 15.
So for 15 minutes. It's a very, very light, fluffy dough. So look at that. That is nice and fluffy and big, and it'll be super soft. So we're gonna cook this for 15 minutes and then get ready for the filling. Got it? All right.
So we're back.
We're back. And here's what we are getting ready to do. The cake just baked. We put it in the refrigerator to cool real quick. And so we're going to go ahead and make the
Mascarpone filling.
The filling. What it's calling for is you have the actual ingredients.
All right, Mama, here we go.
So we are going to use, she has to still make the chocolate that goes for the next layer, but we'll do that second. So this is 500 grams of mascarpone. The mascarpones are not, they're not 250 grams each. They're what, 225?
Yeah, something
225. So instead of doing 500 grams, we did 2 of the mascarpones, which ended up being 450. And the rest of it we used as Philadelphia cheese. So you can buy another mascarpone, but this is a little bit cheaper. So we did it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of that in. What's next, Mom?
Next is the sour cream.
How much?
Not sour cream, the yogurt.
Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt, yeah.
How many grams?
250.
So this is 250 grams of Greek yogurt. It actually asks for kvac, but you can go ahead and use Greek yogurt if you want to. We will do another video to show you how to make kvac if you want to, but this is just as good and as simple.
Yeah, I like it better.
Okay, what else?
3 tablespoons OJ.
Huh?
3 tablespoons of OJ.
OJ orange juice, so we've got 3 tablespoons of orange juice. Okay.
A package vanilla zucker.
Vanilla zucca, so I think we got this one on Amazon or either World Market, either one. But if you don't have any and you want to put this cake together, you can also do what, Mom?
A tablespoon of regular sugar and some vanilla.
Okay, so we got that in there, and then how much sugar?
100.
100 grams?
Yep.
And then we're gonna go ahead and get this all put together. It doesn't need anything else? Nothing to stabilize it or anything, huh?
The recipe said.
I just got sprayed. All right, so we've got this pretty much done. Mom, talk about how we're going to do the chocolate, because a lot of people do a double pan and on the oven.
Yes.
Double burner. Or
That takes too long and sometimes it doesn't work out so good. I just take the chocolate, a bar of chocolate, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds each or 10 seconds
how much
each.
chocolate do we have there?
Almost a bar.
Almost a bar.
Your husband got into it.
Oh, he always gets into chocolate. And then we got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It just gives it a little bit extra flavor. So
Putting it in the microwave like 10 seconds each time, and swirl it till it's nice and smooth.
okay, go for it.
So I had the bar chocolate, almost a bar, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the microwave for about 50 minutes. First time I do on 10 seconds, and then 2 times 20 seconds. So 50 seconds, not minutes.
We pulled the,
Nice and smooth too.
yep, we pulled the cake out of the refrigerator. I went ahead and put a, what is this thing called?
A ring.
A ring around it so that we can fill it, especially with the strawberries, to make it look pretty. So you don't want too thick of a layer on it because you want to be able to cut through it. The first one we made, I remember doing it too thick, and it was like trying to cut through the cake was a little bit of a hard time.
The mascarpone filling, or you can just put mascarpone filling and cut a couple strawberries in, or put the strawberries up on top. That should be enough.
So I think the last time we did this, we just put them around like this, right?
Yeah.
Were they like this or the other way around? No, like this, right?
Yeah.
So we're just putting the strawberries around the edges, and then whatever's left over, we can put a couple of them in the middle.
Oh, you mean you want me to do something here?
You've been doing stuff. Probably the bigger ones. Are we sure we don't want to turn them around?
Well, they look better like this.
Okay.
So now you put your mascarpone in it and put some on the floor maybe.
You can decorate however you feel like you want to decorate. I think actually they turn around. Only reason for that is because then you can put the mascarpone in and it makes a wall.
Horrible.
I think that's what how Gina's was. See how it makes a wall now when we put the mascarpone in?
Well, you're learning and doing.
We're always
And
learning and doing. We always change things up as we're... The recipes, the problem with the recipes is that we need another one over there.
And we're trying all the German cakes, what I know from childhood. And they're not as sweet as the American ones. I just brought some to a Bible study and
That's
I
enough.
was gone in no time.
So maybe just a couple of drizzles on here, and then we can drizzle some more at the top. So this is pretty much that, and now we'll add the mascarpone on top. And then we'll have to let it sit and get hard. My mom's got a doctor's appointment in Nashville for her heart follow-up. She's actually been struggling with having irregular heartbeats. Yeah, she was in the hospital several times and has had several surgeries for it. And then we found a doctor in Nashville that actually took care of it, and she's doing much better, but she's got a follow-up visit. So we'll let this get nice and cold while we're gone. And then when we come back, we'll take it apart and give it a nice try.
And she's giving her cakes away. She's either giving it to some of the people by the house, or does she give it to the neighbor, or doctor office, anybody.
All right, you want to put some more strawberries
Should
on?
have got that a little bit straighter down here.
I think I need a small, let me get a different, before you do that, let me get the... Do you know where the other one like this is that's smaller? It's right here.
Maybe you had it earlier.
We are learning to get our stuff together. It's when you don't do this very often, it's hard to remember what we need and what we don't need.
So watch us fix some cakes, try 'em. Let us know how we're doing.
And if you have suggestions, we'll love to hear that too, because we are definitely not cake experts.
But we have the best recipes right now.
What do you think? Is that better?
Yeah. Okay, you want to lay them like this? I mean,
Yeah,
they're kind of hard to cut too, you know, when you have too many cakes.
Last time I don't think we had enough strawberries or something. Oh no, the strawberry, remember they were huge. These ones aren't as big.
I wish the cake wouldn't be so big. And
You want to just cut these and just cut these and just let them fall? Make them a little smaller?
I don't care.
We want to try a Black Forest cake, but that's a lot harder, huh?
It's not a lot harder, but
It's a lot harder.
it's enough nervy.
Okay.
I love it. I love Black Forest cakes.
That looks good. And now just drizzle the chocolate on top of that. all the way across.
You want me to drizzle it on you?
No.
I'll go a little bit like this.
No, Mom. Why didn't you just drizzle it?
Because it would look like nice outside.
No, it didn't. It looked way better just drizzled.
Then drizzle it.
Well, you already screwed it up.
Oh my goodness.
You can't do one way and then change it up and do something completely different. That's enough.
See, I get still in trouble, and I'm 67.
Well, you say one thing and then you do something completely different.
Yes, Mama.
That's good enough, I think.
Good enough?
Yeah. So, the cake is completely done. It has been chilling for several hours, so we're gonna go ahead and cut into it and give it a try. It actually looks pretty amazing, if I say so myself.
Yes, it does.
Even the chocolate looks good, Mom.
I got in trouble for the chocolate earlier because I put a little bit too much on for Tammy's taste.
Here's one piece. That's your piece, Mom.
Yeah.
I'll give her a piece in a minute. Take the cake so we can finish this video.
It's really good. It's very creamy, and the bottom is nice and soft and fluffy.
It's a very summer cake.
Yeah.
This is a perfect summer cake if you don't want anything too heavy. Try it, make it. Let us know what you did. Bye.
Bye.